Hello, and welcome to Great Garden Channel. While I was pruning some plants, I suddenly noticed a snake plant that had been thrown away at the base of a tree. I picked it up to take a closer look and was quite surprised to discover that the plant had been badly damaged, with the entire base missing and only the leaves remaining. Looking at its condition, many people would probably think that the plant had no chance of surviving. But I wanted to try something different. Could I revive and propagate multiple new snake plants using only the remaining leaves? In particular, I will use a simple method along with familiar ingredients that are readily available in the kitchen, including things that many people usually throw away. If you love ornamental plants and simple propagation methods you can try at home, don't forget to subscribe to Great Garden. Let's get started. After bringing the plant home, the first thing I will do is use specialized scissors to cut the plant into sections as shown in the video. Don't worry, because snake plants are very resilient plants. You only need to cut healthy leaf sections of a suitable length, and they can be used to propagate new plants. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, prepare a container of clean water, as shown in the video. First, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the water. Use a spoon to stir thoroughly until the baking soda is completely dissolved. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is mildly alkaline and is commonly used to clean surfaces and help clean the leaf sections before propagation. Then, place all the cut snake plant leaves into the baking soda solution and soak them for about 15 minutes. This soaking process will help remove dirt and residue from the surface of the leaves, while also helping clean the leaf sections before propagation. After 15 minutes, remove the snake plant sections from the baking soda solution. Use a soft cloth to gently wipe away any remaining solution from the surface of the leaves, allowing them to dry quickly and preparing them for the next propagation step. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience with indoor plants, feel free to post in the community tab of the channel. Let's learn, share, and grow together as plant lovers every day. Next, prepare the growing medium. Prepare 30% coconut coir, 10% white perlite, and 60% garden soil. Place everything into a clean container and mix thoroughly. Mixing everything evenly will help distribute the components uniformly, creating a loose and well-aerated growing medium, giving snake plant roots enough space to develop while reducing soil compaction. Loving these plant care tips. Like this video and subscribe so you never miss our next guide. Prepare a clean pot as shown in the video. Then add all of the prepared growing medium to the pot and spread it evenly across the surface. You don't need to compact the soil too tightly. Keep the growing medium loose and well aerated, so the snake plant leaf sections have enough space to develop new roots. Finally, check the surface of the growing medium and make sure the pot has drainage holes to prevent water from accumulating after watering. Once the snake plant leaf sections have dried, use a small amount of cinnamon powder and lightly apply it to the cut ends. Cinnamon contains natural compounds and has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which may help protect the cut surface and reduce the risk of contamination while the leaf sections begin developing new roots. Repeat the same process with the remaining leaf sections, applying a thin layer of cinnamon powder to each cut end before planting. Next, gently insert each snake plant leaf section into the growing medium as shown in the video, making sure that the original base of the leaf is facing downward. This will help keep the leaf sections firmly in place and maintain stable contact between the cut end and the growing medium, creating favorable conditions for new roots to begin forming and developing. Do not insert them too deeply or compact the soil too tightly, as this can cause the base to become poorly aerated and remain excessively moist for too long. At this point, place the snake plant leaf sections in a dry, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight for about 3 days. This will give the leaf sections time to stabilize after being cut and help reduce water loss or stress. At the same time, water a small amount of clean water around the base, enough to lightly moisten the growing medium and create conditions for the leaf sections to begin developing new roots. However, avoid overwatering, as prolonged moisture can cause the growing medium to remain wet and may lead to rot at the cut ends. After 3 days, once the snake plant leaf sections have stabilized, we will prepare a diluted organic solution to support the plants. Here, I will use rice. Rice contains starch, a small amount of protein, and some minerals which can be used to provide a light source of organic matter for the plants. Add 3 tablespoons of rice to a clean glass cup. Next, pour 500 milliliters of clean water into the cup. Use a spoon to stir thoroughly so that the components dissolve and disperse into the water, creating rice water for the next care step. Use a fine strainer to remove the solid residue and keep only the clear liquid without sediment. This liquid is the diluted rice water solution that we will use for the plants. The next ingredient I will use is vitamin B1. B1 participates in the plant's energy metabolism and may support the plant in maintaining growth processes and adapting more effectively after propagation. Next, add 3 vitamin B1 tablets to the filtered rice water. Use a spoon to stir until the B1 is completely dissolved, allowing the solution to combine evenly before use. Add another 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. That's it. We now have an organic solution to use on the plants. First, pour the rice water and vitamin B1 solution into a spray bottle. What problem does your plant struggle with the most this season? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story and help if I can. Then gently spray a thin mist over the snake plant leaf sections. The rice water and vitamin B1 solution can provide a small amount of organic matter and support the plant's growth processes, giving the leaf sections more favorable conditions during the stage of new root formation. Use the remaining solution to lightly water around the base of the propagation pot. This solution will help deliver a small amount of organic matter into the growing medium, supporting the environment around the developing roots and creating more favorable conditions for young roots to develop steadily. Only use a moderate amount of water and avoid keeping the growing medium excessively wet for long periods. Results. After about 2 months, you may see new plantlets beginning to emerge from the base of the propagated leaf sections. This is a sign that the propagation process is progressing successfully. Gradually, the new plantlets will continue to develop, producing new leaves and eventually forming a healthy, full snake plant. What do you think about this method? Leave a comment below and share your results so everyone can learn from your experience. If you found this method useful, don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to Great Garden so you don't miss the next simple plant care and propagation tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video on Great Garden.